In this chapter, we got kind of good at looking at Desmos, and we came up with the five, I guess, additional congruence conditions, five shorter congruence conditions. The main congruence condition we start with was the definition of congruence itself, right? Basically, that you show that you've got three um, pairs of angles that all lined up, so all three angles and all three sides are congruent from the triangles, right? It turns out that we don't need to know all of that information. We can get it much more concisely than that. And the five congruence conditions we had, well, we discovered that side was adequate. Just three sides and one congruent to three sides and another, three corresponding sides. Another thing that was possible is to have two pairs of corresponding congruent sides and the angle that was in between them, right? We call that side angle side. Also, if you've got two angles that are congruent in two different triangles and the side that connects them is also congruent, angle side angle is a congruent condition. Another one we had was angle, angle, and then the side. And this is related to the fact that if you've got two angles in a triangle, you definitely know the third angle has to be congruent. So if you look at it, angle, angle, and then the side is just the same thing as angle, side, angle up above. But um, I mean, it's not the same thing. Its truthfulness follows because of angle, side, angle being true. And then the final thing that we have is that if you have right triangles and you have a pair of congruent hypotenuses and a pair of congruent legs, corresponding legs, then the triangles are congruent by HL. So those are our five uh, congruence conditions for triangles.